Today, on Silver Jubilee celebration, that is 25 years completion of our organization Kushal Engineers, I thought I will share how it all began and what has been the journey of Kushal Engineers. Hi, my name is Raju Bhagia. I am founder of Kushal Engineers and I started this organization on 30th April 1995. After having worked for L&T for 12 and a half years, on 30th November 1994, I finally left L&T Gate to pursue my career in business. Didn't know exactly what I'm going to do, but I had some determination to do something. So for first 5 months, I had an opportunity because there were assignments available with one of my ex-colleague from L&T, and I joined hands with him to understand how exactly a small organization runs and how to get jobs, how to execute jobs, how to handle payments, how to arrange funds, etc., etc. So for first 5 months, I was getting hardcore training to run a small venture. Then on 29th of April, after I separated from my ex-colleague, I decided to pursue my career alone in business with all the hopes and determination to succeed. So without wasting any moment, on 30th April 1995, even though it happened to be Sunday, I opened the door of my small 130 square feet office in Bombay and I cleaned the office. I went to market. I shopped for 1 table, 2 chairs, 1 tube light and 1 fan. Came back to office with electrician, set up the office, and that is how on Sunday we started our office. So actually the office was booked accidentally in 1992 and finally I got the possession on 11th August 1994, and coincidentally that is the same day when I went and submitted my resignation to L&T, saying that now I will have my own space to operate from my own office. So this is how, with a lot of dreams, we started. So I started approaching all my ex-L&T colleagues, all my known expeditors or organizations for who were supposed to be our suppliers, large size suppliers. So some of the bosses told me, see, we know you very well, but there should be a team. Once you have a team, you come and we will discuss. So small break first came. It was a contracting company and they wanted to bid for a steel structural kind of job. They approached us to understand the tender specifications, to prepare the bid, to do the estimate, costing, etc., etc. We took up that job and they promised they'll pay 40,000 rupees. Of course, we successfully completed the assignment and I handed over all the documents to the owner and he submitted the bid on time. Later on, I had to really struggle for more than 2 months to get my first check. That also, finally he paid only 50% of the amount, which is 20,000 rupees check was my first check which I got. Then, meanwhile, I was talking to all the L&T bosses. So once I went and met chemical business head, and after I showed him my team, etc., he immediately called his secretary and he gave us the job for expediting on all India basis. That is how first job from L&T started. But the bigger break was waiting. I got a call from construction department senior managers and they asked me, see, they told me that we are doing a job at Finolex, Ratnagiri, and there we need some piping and mechanical engineers on contract basis. So can you identify, can you supply those engineers on your company roll? This was totally a new kind of assignment for us, but because I had decided I want to succeed in business, come what may. So I took up this opportunity as a godsend opportunity and started working on that. Very soon, within period of 1 week, we could supply 5 engineers to Ratnagiri site, and that is how our ball started rolling in this manpower supply line. Now, once L&T started sourcing engineers from our organization, word spread quickly among likes of all the project management organizations, and soon we got call from Akar Power Gas, Reliance, ThyssenKrupp, and slowly we started getting jobs from all these organizations. But the biggest breakthrough came in 1998 when Reliance called us to supply more than 100 engineers for their grassroots refinery project, which was about to start in Jamnagar. So that was a huge opportunity and we grabbed it. We successfully handled it. I think total we supplied around 83 engineers and they worked for a period of, I would say around 3 years at Jamnagar. So that is how we got set into the business of doing project services for organizations like engineering coordination, inspection expediting, project management services, logistics management services, and the major job was supply of technical manpower. Then we went on adding many more clients, and today we are working with most of the clients. Of course, we also tried to diversify. We started representing few foreign companies from abroad for supply of piping material and some services to the industries. But this particular business was not giving me 100% satisfaction because I was not on the driving seat. Every time I had to depend on the final decision by my principals. So that is why after trying for 5 years, finally I closed that and focused on manpower supply business. So we continued our business activities for providing technical services for many new Indian and international clients. I would say today we take pride in stating that we are considered as most reliable, trustworthy and efficient outsourcing agency for supply of technical manpower by our clients. At the same time, we are considered as most honest, transparent, employee-friendly and caring organization by our contractual employees who wish to work with us again and again for various project assignments. I also take special pride in mentioning that more than 60% of our existing clients are those who are with us for last more than 10 years. And more than 50% of our staff members are those who have completed more than 15 years of service with our organization. Lastly, I would like to say none of this had been possible without support of my wife, children, staff members, and most importantly, principles of honesty and fairness, which I imbibed from my parents. So I would like to express my thanks and sincere gratitude to my parents, wife, family, staff members, and our clients who have all supported me in nurturing this business for last 25 years. Thank you so much.